Hey everybody, it's Kim Peterson here, and I wanted to share with you a quick tip since we are doing so much engagement on Zoom. I wanted to share with you this trick here. This is THRIVE Causemetics, and it's their translucent matte powder. And so I'm about to hop on a Zoom call really quick. I just came in from walking the Doctor of Love and Kindness, and my face is a little bit oily, and I don't want that to be a distraction to me or to the people that I'm talking to on Zoom. So I just go like this, and I am just getting this T-zone area. This is good for any color of skin. Little extra right there. This is great if you're a man, if you're a woman. This is great for Zoom calls. This is great for if you are speaking on the stage underneath hot lights. It's just been really effective. I learned about it last year from my bestie who knows all things beauty, and I tested it out. I did a half-day workshop I facilitated at Boeing last year, and I didn't have time for a bio break, but I did make sure to have this setting my foundation. And at the end of that 4-hour half day, I popped into the restroom and I looked in the mirror, and voila, it was still nice and matte. And I thought people need to know about this. So again, whether you're doing Zoom calls, whether you're going to get photos taken, whether you are speaking on stage or in front of the camera through media, this is a great tip, and I thought I'd share it with you today. Make it a great day. Until next time, it's Kim Peterson, championing your confident breakthroughs on the inside and out, and equipping you with tips and tools and inspirations for navigating this COVID-19 season and beyond. Bye for now.